Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss this question from the chapter of heights and distances. The question is, a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing on the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. First of all, we will try to make a diagram here. Suppose this is tower. AB is tower here. AB is a tower. Correct? And the position of car at any moment is, suppose here, so that this angle, car is at this point C, so this angle of depression is here 30 degree. At any moment this angle of depression is 30 degree. Let us join C and B. So alternate angles are equal, so this angle is also 30 degree. After 6 seconds, the car is moving towards the foot of the tower. So after 6 seconds, suppose this is the position, D is the next position of the car after 6 seconds. It means the car reaches from this point C to this point D with a uniform speed after 6 seconds, such that here angle of depression becomes 60 degree. Let us join A and D here. So this angle is here 60 degree. Alternate angles are equal, so this angle is 60 degree. Correct? And now we have to find out the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. From this point here, this word is not very clear, whether from C or from D. But let us suppose that we have to measure the time taken of the car when it reaches from this point C to point B, foot of the tower. Correct? So we have to find out the time taken to reach from C to B. Suppose this time is T seconds when car reaches from point C to point B. We have to find out. Correct? Now let us take, one more thing. Suppose this height of the tower is H here. Correct? Now in this right angle triangle ADB, you know this angle is here, put at the foot of the tower, angle is 90 degree. So in triangle ABD, we can write tan of 60 degree is equal to perpendicular AB by base BD. And therefore, you know, tan 60 is root 3. AB is height of the tower, H upon BD. Correct? So H is equal to how much? BD into root 3. Now, in triangle ACB, we can write tan of 30 degree is equal to, again perpendicular is AB and base is how much? BC. Base is BC. Tan 30 is, you know, this is 1 by root 3. AB is H and BC can be written as CD plus BD. CD plus BD. And therefore 1 by root 3 is equal to H upon CD is 6. Or this distance can be measured with the formula distance is equal to speed into time. So if you take uniform speed is s, then distance CD is distance into time, means 6s. So let us write 6s. CD is equal to 6s, where s is uniform speed. That is not mentioned in this question. Plus BD, correct? And H is equal to how much? BD root 3. So this is equal to BD root 3 6x plus BD, and by cross multiplication we are getting BD is equal to BD plus 6s is equal to 3BD. Root 3 into root 3 is 3BD, and therefore 6s is equal to, this BD will be transposed to right hand side to BD, and therefore BD is equal to how much? 6s by 2, that is 3s. So 3 is time and s is uniform speed. So here time taken is 3 seconds. 3 seconds here. So finally we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Means we have to find out time taken when car reaches from C to B. The time taken from C to D is already given 6, and here time taken from reaching from D to B is 3 seconds. Correct? Here S is uniform speed. So 6 seconds plus 3 seconds is equal to 9 seconds. Correct? So therefore here answer is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 seconds. This is the answer. Correct? I hope you have understood this question. So you don't confuse this S. Here for sake of convenience, we have taken here S as uniform speed, because you know distance is equal to speed into time. That's why this distance CD is 6 into 6 is time and speed is S. That's why we have taken here CD is equal to 6S. Clear? So thank you student for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel so that you could get other videos in time. Thank you.